Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming basic prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps now. Verify your current acuity and recent exams so you know your starting point. This guides intensity and safety. Once done, set a realistic 1-3-month goal and schedule daily 10-30-minute sessions. Make sure to optimize environment, proper lighting, reduced glare, and correct screen distance, because these small factors change strain and let training be effective immediately. You now execute the complex middle steps, structured exercises and supportive nutrition. Alternate focused near-to-far shifts and the 20/20/20 rule to reduce strain and train accommodation. Add 10 minutes of palming for relaxation. Incorporate nutrients, vitamin sources, lutein 610 mg, and omega-3 500 1000 mg to support retinal health. Once established, log each session and subjective clarity, and measure progress monthly, so you finish by consolidating gains and preparing for maintenance. Gradually taper intensive drills as clarity improves, then maintain benefits with a 3 times per week routine. Consistency prevents regression. Make sure to schedule follow-up eye exams every 6-12 months and record any setbacks. If blurring intensifies, stop intense exercises, rest eyes for several days, and consult a professional. This single troubleshooting step prevents harm and lets you safely adjust the plan before continuing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.